The abandoned supercars of Dubai. Dubai is a city of extremes. Towering skyscrapers, luxury malls, and wide highways are home to some of the world's most expensive cars. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces, and Bentleys are not just common. They define the city's image. Yet behind this glamorous facade lies a surprising phenomenon. Thousands of luxury cars are abandoned in Dubai every year, left under the desert sun, collecting dust, and slowly deteriorating. According to Gulf News, around 2,000 to 3,000 cars are abandoned annually. These are not ordinary vehicles. They include rare supercars, limited edition hypercars, and classic luxury models worth millions. Seeing a Ferrari Enzo or Lamborghini Murciélago left to rot seems unimaginable, yet it happens regularly. The reasons vary. Many cars are abandoned due to financial problems. Dubai has strict laws. Defaulting on loans or bouncing checks can lead to jail, especially for expatriates. Some owners flee the country to avoid legal trouble, leaving their cars behind. For others, repair costs may exceed the value of the vehicle, making abandonment the easiest choice. Not all abandonments are financial. Some owners leave cars simply to avoid paperwork, or because they no longer want the vehicle. Luxury cars are expensive to maintain, and in a city where wealth is abundant, abandoning a car may feel trivial. Convenience often outweighs responsibility. Dubai's desert climate worsens the problem. High temperatures warp interiors, fade paint, and degrade mechanical parts. Tires deflate, sand infiltrates engines, and leather cracks. Even the most expensive vehicles succumb to the elements over time. Authorities follow a strict system. Abandoned cars are issued notices, giving owners 15 days to respond. If ignored, the car is impounded. Owners then have 6 months to reclaim it. Otherwise, the vehicle is auctioned or sold as scrap. Impound yards become surreal spaces, filled with Ferraris, Bentleys, and more. Some in perfect condition, others showing damage. Abandoned supercars reflect Dubai's social and economic dynamics. Many residents are expatriates who view possessions as temporary. Luxury vehicles can shift from status symbols to liabilities overnight. Yet these abandoned cars also create opportunities. Auctions and restorations give vehicles a second life, turning someone else's loss into treasure. Dubai's abandoned supercars are more than flashy machines. They are symbols of ambition, risk, and the fragile line between wealth and consequence. Behind each car is a human story, a choice, and a consequence waiting to be discovered. Why supercars get abandoned? Abandonment of supercars in Dubai might seem shocking, but there are several clear reasons behind it. The city's unique combination of wealth, expatriate population, strict financial laws, and high living costs creates a situation where luxury vehicles can easily be left behind. One of the main reasons is debt and legal issues. Dubai has strict financial regulations. Failing to pay loans, bouncing checks, or defaulting on credit can lead to arrest. For expatriates, this is particularly serious, as imprisonment could affect residency or employment. In such cases, some choose to leave the country entirely, abandoning cars in the process. A multi-million-dollar Ferrari or Lamborghini may be left in a lot simply to avoid legal consequences. Another reason is repair costs. Luxury and supercars are expensive to maintain. After an accident, repairs may cost more than the car itself is worth. In a city where replacing a car can sometimes be cheaper than fixing it, owners often abandon damaged vehicles. What might be unthinkable elsewhere, leaving a Rolls-Royce SUV by the roadside, becomes a practical decision in Dubai. Laziness or convenience also contributes. Some owners avoid the hassle of selling a car secondhand. Paperwork, inspections, and negotiations can feel cumbersome. In a place where wealth is abundant, the effort to sell or repair a car may seem unnecessary. This leads to cars being abandoned simply because it is easier than managing them. Dubai's climate amplifies the issue. The desert sun, sandstorms, and heat damage vehicles over time, making abandoned cars more noticeable. Interiors crack, tires deflate, and paint fades. Cars that may have been left temporarily often remain abandoned for years, deteriorating in the process. Cultural and social factors play a role as well. Many residents are temporary expatriates who view assets as transient. Luxury cars may symbolize status during their stay, but when circumstances change, job loss, relocation, or business failure, vehicles can be abandoned without regret. Wealth makes some owners indifferent to the fate of a car once it's no longer useful. From streets to impound lots. Once a luxury car is abandoned in Dubai, it doesn't simply sit indefinitely on the street. The city has strict laws to manage vehicles left unattended, ensuring traffic flow and public safety while maintaining urban order. Understanding how abandoned cars move from streets to impound lots reveals the scale and organization behind this phenomenon. When a car is first left unattended, authorities issue a notice to the registered owner, often via text message or by placing a physical warning on the vehicle. Owners usually have 15 days to respond. They can reclaim the car by moving it, paying fines, or resolving any legal or registration issues. Failure to act results in the vehicle being officially impounded. Impound lots in Dubai are not ordinary junkyards. They are carefully managed spaces designed to handle thousands of vehicles at a time. Luxury and everyday cars sit side by side. Some are parked under shade to protect them from the scorching desert sun, while others are exposed, gradually showing wear from heat, dust, and sand. Even the rarest supercars are not immune to deterioration when left in these lots for months. Once in the impound lot, owners have 6 months to reclaim their vehicle. They must pay storage fees, fines, and any applicable legal charges. If the car is not retrieved within this period, it is often sold at auction or, in some cases, sent for scrap. Auctions are particularly fascinating because they give buyers the chance to acquire high-end vehicles at prices far below market value. Some cars sell for as little as 20 to 30% of their original worth, attracting enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. The journey from street to impound lot is sometimes influenced by unusual factors. Vehicles may be left due to accidents, financial default, or even simple negligence. Occasionally, cars appear abandoned after sandstorms make them look neglected, prompting authorities to issue tickets. In rare cases, law enforcement converts some abandoned vehicles into police cars, giving them a second life in official service. Dubai's impound system highlights the city's efficiency and the scale of luxury car culture. With thousands of abandoned vehicles each year, the system ensures that streets remain clear while providing an opportunity for cars to be reused. Impound lots act as temporary limbo for these machines, preserving potential value while waiting for a new owner. From the streets to impound lots, abandoned supercars in Dubai reflect more than neglect. They are a result of legal, financial, and social pressures interacting with human behavior. Each vehicle tells a story, waiting to be continued through auctions, restoration, or new ownership. Auctions and second chances. Once abandoned cars reach impound lots in Dubai, they don't always end up as forgotten relics. Many are given a second chance through auctions, where collectors, enthusiasts, and opportunists can acquire them at a fraction of their original value. These auctions are a fascinating aspect of Dubai's car culture, turning what was once abandoned into a new opportunity. When a vehicle is unclaimed after 6 months in the impound lot, it becomes eligible for auction. Cars are sold at prices significantly lower than market value, sometimes up to 70% off. This includes high-end supercars like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bentleys, and Rolls-Royces, as well as more common vehicles. Auctions happen regularly, both in person and online, allowing buyers worldwide to participate. For buyers, the appeal is obvious: the chance to own an exotic vehicle for far less than retail price. However, it's not without risk. Many abandoned cars have been damaged, neglected, or poorly maintained. Interiors may have cracks from desert heat, mechanical components may need extensive repairs, and some vehicles may even have been involved in accidents or flooding. Prospective buyers must carefully inspect the condition, understanding that restoration and repair costs can be significant. Despite the risks, auctions give abandoned cars a new life. Mechanics and restorers often purchase vehicles with potential, repairing engines, refurbishing interiors, and restoring exteriors. Once restored, these cars return to the streets, often with a new owner who appreciates their value and history. In this way, what was once abandoned transforms into a collectible, high-performing vehicle once more. Auctions also reflect the economic efficiency of Dubai's system. By converting abandoned vehicles into revenue and keeping streets clear, authorities and impound lot operators create opportunities for investment, business, and entertainment. For many buyers, the thrill of bidding, combined with the chance to acquire a rare vehicle, adds excitement to the process. The human stories. Behind the cars. Behind every abandoned supercar in Dubai, there is a story. These vehicles are not just metal and leather. They are reflections of ambition, risk, success, and sometimes misfortune. Understanding the human side of why these cars are left behind adds depth to a phenomenon that might otherwise seem like pure extravagance. One of the most common reasons is financial pressure. Many expatriates purchase luxury vehicles to display status or enjoy a lavish lifestyle. However, business ventures fail, jobs are lost, or unexpected expenses arise. In Dubai, defaulting on a loan or bouncing a check can lead to legal consequences, including imprisonment. For some, the easiest solution is to leave the country and the car behind. What may look like carelessness from the outside is often a calculated decision to avoid serious consequences. Accidents are another factor. Supercars are high-performance machines, and even a minor collision can be expensive to repair. Some owners, unwilling or unable to cover repair costs, abandon the vehicle at the scene or later in a lot. Over time, these cars may remain in impound yards for months or years before being auctioned, giving them a second chance with a new owner. Convenience and lifestyle choices also contribute. Some wealthy individuals own multiple cars, and managing, maintaining, or selling every vehicle can be tedious. Luxury cars may be left behind simply because they are no longer needed or because the owner prefers to replace them with a newer model. In Dubai's culture of abundance, abandoning a car may seem trivial. Money is plentiful and effort is often minimized. There are also cultural and social factors at play. Many residents are temporary expatriates who view possessions as temporary status symbols. Cars are part of their image, but when they leave the city, the connection ends. Abandonment is sometimes the natural outcome of a transient lifestyle, where belongings hold less long-term significance. Finally, fear and uncertainty can lead to abandonment. Legal troubles, financial crises, or sudden relocation prompt some owners to make quick decisions. The stress of maintaining a high-value vehicle in a complex system often outweighs the desire to keep it, leading to desertion. These human stories reveal that abandoned supercars are more than objects. They are markers of life choices, risks, and circumstances. Each car left in Dubai's streets or impound lots tells a tale of ambition, challenge, and sometimes failure. They are symbols of the high stakes, pressures, and possibilities that define the city's culture of luxury and wealth. The impact of abandoned supercars on Dubai. Abandoned supercars in Dubai do more than create viral images. They have a significant impact on the city's streets, economy, and culture. While luxury vehicles are symbols of wealth and status, their desertion tells a story about legal systems, urban planning, and society's relationship with wealth. One immediate impact is urban clutter. Thousands of abandoned vehicles occupy valuable space, sometimes blocking roads or parking areas. This creates a logistical challenge for authorities tasked with maintaining clear streets. Impound lots become crowded with high-end vehicles alongside everyday cars, requiring careful management to avoid chaos. The phenomenon also has economic consequences. While abandoned cars represent lost investment for their original owners, they create opportunities for auctions and restorations. Dubai has become home to a unique market where buyers can acquire rare supercars at significantly reduced prices. This creates a small but profitable industry for mechanics, restoration specialists, and auction houses. In this way, what was once a problem transforms into economic activity. Cultural and social impacts are also notable. The sight of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Bentleys left to deteriorate in the desert challenges common perceptions of wealth. In a city defined by opulence, the abandonment of these vehicles highlights the transient and sometimes superficial nature of luxury. It reflects a culture where status symbols are valued, but the responsibility to maintain them may not be. Environmental considerations are another factor. Abandoned cars contribute to waste and pollution if left to deteriorate for long periods. Paint, oil, and other fluids can leak, while metals corrode in the harsh desert climate. The government's system of impounding and auctioning vehicles helps mitigate these issues, but the sheer volume of abandoned cars remains a challenge. Interestingly, abandoned supercars have also become a tourist and media attraction. Photographs of dusty, rare vehicles circulating online draw attention from enthusiasts worldwide. Impound lots and abandoned car spots gain a reputation almost like urban museums, showcasing both the extremes of wealth and the consequences of misfortune. The future of abandoned supercars and lessons. Learned as Dubai continues to grow as a hub of luxury and wealth, the phenomenon of abandoned supercars shows no signs of disappearing. However, the city's authorities, auction houses, and enthusiasts are shaping the future of how these vehicles are managed, creating opportunities while addressing the challenges they pose. One key trend is the increased organization of impound lots and auctions. Authorities are streamlining the process of reclaiming, auctioning, and recycling abandoned vehicles. Online platforms allow buyers from around the world to participate in auctions without physically visiting Dubai, expanding access and increasing competition. Cars that might have remained forgotten in the past now find new owners quickly, giving them a second life. Restoration specialists are also innovating. Abandoned cars often arrive in poor condition, but advances in automotive repair, sourcing of spare parts, and expertise allow mechanics to restore vehicles to near original condition. This not only preserves the car's value, but also contributes to a growing market of high-end automotive restoration. Dubai's abandoned car culture has inadvertently created a thriving industry around repair, refurbishment, and resale. Legal and financial frameworks continue to influence the situation. Stricter enforcement of debt-related laws and vehicle regulations ensures that cars do not remain on the streets for long periods. Impound procedures, fines, and 6-month deadlines provide structure while creating fairness for those interested in acquiring abandoned cars. At the same time, authorities are working to mitigate environmental impacts, including fluid leaks, rust, and pollution caused by long-term exposure to the desert climate. From a social perspective, abandoned supercars offer lessons about wealth, responsibility, and impermanence. They demonstrate that extreme luxury can be temporary, that status symbols come with obligations, and that choices have consequences. A car left behind tells a story of ambition, risk, misfortune, or convenience. For residents and visitors alike, these vehicles provide a visible reminder of both human aspiration and vulnerability. Looking forward, Dubai's abandoned supercars will continue to attract attention from enthusiasts, collectors, and the media. They will remain part of the city's identity, representing the intersection of wealth, opportunity, and human behavior. Whether through auctions, restoration, or new ownership, abandoned vehicles will find new purpose, showing that even in apparent loss, value can be recovered. In the end, abandoned supercars are more than just vehicles left in the desert. They are lessons, opportunities, and stories waiting to be discovered, a testament to the extraordinary world of Dubai's luxury automotive culture. And that's a look at Dubai's abandoned supercars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and more left to rot, yet sometimes finding a second chance at auction. Each car tells a story of wealth, risk, and human choices in this extraordinary city. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories and hidden worlds. Remember, one person's trash can be another's treasure. Thanks for watching.